prepare. Hi, I'm Zeke, and this is my stuffy snout. We're on a top secret mission to decorate the neighborhood with things our friends love. But first, we have to fill holes in the road so I can ride across. Tap here to get started. Who should we decorate for first? Zadie, Malik, Junjun, or Ellie? Tap to choose. Who should we decorate for next? My brother Malik. Here are some of his favorite things. Trumpets, balloons, rubber ducks. What should we use to decorate the neighborhood? Trumpets. Let's use triangles to fill these holes. Which triangle would fit in this hole? We made it! Malik loves trumpets. How could you fill both of these holes? Do we need to take out any shapes? Great problem solving! Fill one hole at a time. Yahoo! Thanks for helping us get across the road. These holes are the same. Could you use different shapes to fill each hole? You filled all the holes. Wow, look at all these decorations. Malik's going to love them. We made the neighborhood look extra special, and everyone's so happy. Tap this button if you want to decorate the neighborhood a whole new way.